This is the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi light switch with motion sensor. This light switch is compatible with Alexa and Google Home. No hub is required. All you need is the Kasa app. This light switch has an advanced motion sensor that covers 650 square feet. So that means if it detects motion, it'll turn on the light, and with no motion, the light will be off. So the box comes with wire nuts and screws for the light switch. Here's the light switch. The sensor is on the top and the switch is on the bottom. There are 4 wires on the back and they're color-coded and labeled, making for easy installation. When installing this, you'll have to turn off the power at the source. Safety first. Then you'll connect the wires to the corresponding ones in your wall. Use the wire nuts to secure the wires. On the switch, there are also the reset and restart buttons here. Here's the wall plate. On the back, it tells you which way is up. The light switch goes onto the wall plate like so. You line them up and push in to connect them. You'll have to use a little bit of pressure to push them together. It'll click into place. If you need to separate them, do the same and use a little bit of force to pull apart. The box also comes with wire labels. These are just stickers that you can peel off and put onto the wires. There's a start guide with clear instructions and pictures on how to install.